like that you can grab, but there's a lot worse.
Yeah, I'll just keep going.
Down here is not too bad. Wait till we get down further.
Yeah.
I'll give you an address.
And it looks better now because they got the streets cleared. See, all of this debris was in the streets. Once we get past the checkpoint, then you'll see the devastation.
900 block. 900 block of 3rd. I'm sorry, coming right now. That's affirmative.
The house that was half gone, I was like,
yeah.
I couldn't believe.
That's 48 that quarter. Go Hazard 48.
Wow.
I checked Sydney Avenue up and down.
Hi.
You guys good with water and food and stuff?
Good.
I got water in the trunk if you want it.
They just loaded us up.
Alright guys.
Thanks a lot.
See you later.
48, you lost radio signal or broke up. I didn't read your whole transmission. I checked
Fucking
Sydney
wheels
Avenue.
starting.
Gosh.
Dead house. This is Bobby Belmonte Bosco, your father's friend. He owns
Yeah.
all this.
Sandbar, Bobby?
Mm-hmm.
Flight to headquarters, did you receive? No, all they keep saying with your radio is I checked and
That's the
then
American Legion.
it blanks out.
This house used to be up at this front porch. See where the front porch is?
Oh my
Up and down Union,
Just
that's
pushed back?
negative for that suspicious person at this time.
all those bricks are gone from just the water?
Yeah. There was a little house right there. See it? That's a house. This house is the whale house over here.
25 headquarters.
Will it go through the window? Yeah?
Yeah.
This house right here is in my brother's backyard. That's Kevin's house, the white one.
Okay, 25.
Wow.
Ryan, 907 3rd Street. Resolved itself, to be clear.
Look at this.
Down foot. Mike, do you know what frequency OEM's operating on? They're
Now,
too fast with their
you
message
see-
on the PA system. No one can hear them.
You see that blue house?
No, I'm sorry.
See that blue house over there?
Yeah.
That house was over here.
But I think they were switching to
That was-
47.
That house is on this foundation right over here. Get this one here. This is Casey Zoyce's house. Okay. There was a house here. Here's the foundation.
Where's
Like
that
I
house?
said, this house here is all the way over there. See the blue house?
I'm gonna.
That belongs here.
That house. Wow.
There were 3 houses over here.
Here.
Right here. There were 3 homes right here. Then I'll take you down where... Now, this house, see this pile of rubble up here?
Yeah.
That house was in the middle of this street. The 2nd story was.
This is where we crab
Yes.
over this bridge.
So this here house was in the street. They had to break it up to get it out of the street. All of these houses on this street are gone but 2. There was like 4 homes here.
Is that house totally moved?
Yes, that house
That
was
should-
up here.
Wow.
That used to be up here.
That should be here.
Here, there was 2 homes here on the left. See the foundations?
Yeah.
There was 2 homes there. All of these were all homes in here. See this front steps? 725 Brook.
Oh my gosh. Those were homes up there too?
Yes. No, this was only one home here, but these were all homes in along here.
They're gone.
All those foundations.
I'll be heading back over to
All
Keyboard.
homes.
Meet up with my release. 2323 be relieving me shortly. Southwest.
See the one back there that's collapsing?
Yeah.
It's getting ready to come down.
Yeah.
There was 3 homes right in here. See where the steps are?
Yeah.
They're going to the homes that were there. This is the street. There was, where we are now, there was 10 foot of water.
Really?
Yes.
Seven to 12.
Wow. This is unbelievable.
See this house? This gray house was on the other street.
Look at the
On
boat
Brook.
squished.
Yep.
So everything's just pushed back.
Yep.
Gabby, you want a 10-3? On that fuel situation.
Where most of these families gone. That's that house that's about to fall.
Yeah. Nobody died though in town. Not one fatality. Look at this house now.
When you're done,
It's just this.
Ted
Me
Free
and
reference
Kathy almost
to,
bought this house.
I believe there was a letter for.
We almost bought that house right before the one we're in.
Did you take care of that? Get it. I can now. I'll explain when you get here. You need to write another one.
I can't believe like the entire homes are just moved.
Yeah. Do I gotta put this other badge on, make it a little bit easier for the guys to identify me? Crazy, huh, Ben?
Yeah.
Now I'll take you on the other side and show you a little bit more. That was a house. I don't know where it is.
I have that in pictures from when we grabbed right there.
Oh,
The
yeah.
back of it, I do.
So I don't know where it is. But I can't get over. That house was over here.
And that's far.
Mm-hmm.
So these waves were
So these new
Obviously.
condos held up great.
but coming in. There's a walking path behind these homes.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I did see somebody's video of that. They walked behind it.
I'll take you down 3rd. I'll take you over by Kevin's house, my brother.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure he's taken care of. I got people coming in for him. But see the waves starting to kick up again?
No, are they evacuating? Obviously nobody's here.
Yeah, this
And
was a
we're-
little tiny house right here. Okay.
That was under construction already, this house?
This one was, yeah. Now this is all cleaned up. This was all, you couldn't, it was
Yeah.
just debris. So this here is Kevin's house, which is intact.
The white?
The white one. All right, that's his deck from his backyard, from his swimming pool.
Wow. It obviously just upped and over everything.
Up and over, yep. That back here, see this as high as those steps are, the water was up to his windows.
They're thinking that water's gonna come up again?
Yeah,
For
it'll
this
come
storm?
up to here at least, I think. Speak English?
Yeah, a little bit.
Where you going?
823.
Okay. Come here.
Yes.
The house up, the pink house, do you live up that way?
Yeah.
Do you guys have food and stuff?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
So I go to school, so give me something.
Okay, if you need more food, go back up there.
Okay.
Okay, you need blankets, you got babies?
Great.
Okay, there's a lot of baby clothes at Memorial School.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
You're a good guy, Uncle Bobby.
See, these Mexicans, they're afraid to come to us.
Uh-huh.
They're afraid something's going to happen. Nobody cares now
No.
if they're legal or illegal. Nobody cares, you know?
Mm-mm.
Just want to get them some food and stuff.
Yeah.
Tell him to go up to that Spanish house across from Keller's and tell him to tell those people they can go to school and get baby clothes. They're afraid because they think that if they're not documented, nobody cares. So tell him to tell them that. Yeah. That's Stephanie's mother, Billy's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is mostly, I won't even take you down there because most of this is they're working down there cleaning up.
Yeah.
Take you down Pine.
Trying to get everything up before, right? Another storm comes in.
Yeah, we're worried about, you know, all the police cars have been getting flats. We lost 3 in the storm. And we don't have police cars as it is,
Yeah.
you know? So we got cops here from Nevada, Florida. The guys from Nevada, 36 hours it took them to get here.
Really?
But they came,
They got here.
but they're like not used to us. They're so laid back.
Right.
Because the other day, they were trying to get through traffic, and they couldn't get. I said, this guy's not too good of a driver. I don't know where this boat came from. I have no clue. Nobody knows. There was one up here, somewhere along here. There was a boat crashed into a house. But now look how far we are from the beach, and you
Yeah.
see the devastation.
Where's your old house from here?
It's all the way on the other side of town.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's not here.
Now you can tell people on your video we're 8 blocks away from the waterfront.
Wow.
This is the street your father used to live on.
That's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Did they get anything? Obviously.
Yes.
He always shows me the little white house.
Yeah, it's standing, but they've got 4 to 5 foot of water in it. So we're way far from the beach right now, and it still came up. That's the park. What they're doing is they're putting the dumpsters in, 2 dumpsters on a street, and they're bringing them here, dumping them, and then they're putting them on tractor trailers to bring them to the landfill.
Taking them back.
So as we're driving, we're going further and further from the water, the beach, and we're still here. You want to get that?
Yes. Got it. It's still just, everything's...
Alright, all units operating o'clock, Omak, Washington, that area. We're going to be going live in about 20 seconds. Stand by.
What's he gonna do with that little shit with branches? And here I'm in my backyard saying my fucking yard is ruined. That's and I was worried about it. Now I could give two fucks, you know?
I agree. So all these people are from outside too, coming in, helping.
Yep. Yeah, be kidding me. So, and the biggest problem with looting is people are coming in from out of town taking scrap metal.
Oh.
We've arrested about 35 people and confiscated their vehicles.
Right.